guys, I'm gonna play Insane Elevator, my favorite game when I was 5 years old. Shout out to Zara Robbie, 25, and all these guys. My street is 9. Mama ko. Mommy. I want my mommy. What about this guy? I didn't survive 9 floors. Stay alive. Relentless. I hope this song is not copyrighted because I got copyrighted. No, what's this thing? How are these? How are they? They are.
Tangina mo, Jepoy Dizon! Ang pangit ng pagmumukha mo! Nakita mo na ba mukha mo sa salamin?
It's raining tacos from out of the sky.
That's
Tangina mo,
Filipino.
Jepoy Dizon! Ang
That's
pangit ng
Filipino.
pagmumukha mo! Nakita mo na ba mukha mo sa salamin?
Wait, it's
Tangina
bro.
mo! Ang pangit mo, ha? Tangina
No,
mo! Ano yung
stay away from him.
Pag-augat ako ng pinggan, ha?
You can't do this. Yes,
Bilis yan! Ikaw naman, ano, ha? Tangina mo, squatter? Ha? Ha? Nagyayabang ka pa sa laptop. Nakita mo to, hampas mo sa
Ew.
Tangina mo, ha?
Why are they dancing?
Ha? Lalaban ka pa? Tangina mo, mag-extend ka na dyan.
This is Filipino. No, street one.
Tangina mo, Jepoy Dizon! Tangina mo, mukha mo! Nakita mo na mukha mo sa salamin.
Masay tayo? Yeah, I did. Are you provoking people? How about the beef fry? I love that country. But I already live in. I live in.
Gago! 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 Gago!
What's that? Learn your manners.
Gago!
Learn your manners.
Gago!
That's a bad word.
Gago!
Don't say gago.
Gago! Gago!
Okay, go.
Gago!
Run.
Buong bansa ay walang pakialam!
Speaker.
Buong bansa ay walang pakialam! Buong bansa ay walang pakialam! Buong bansa ay walang pakialam!
I survived one floor. The music. I don't like streets though. I don't know. I don't know. I met this game in 2024. But it was released in 2019. We already know. I already know. Gonna die. Oh, it's Charlotte! Emily! It's the puppet from FNAF 2! FNAF 2? This is a Bushi. Killed outside. Even though the Vitorino. I'm only 7 years old. Don't take me. Fast. What? No. I did go to the top. Una. No. It's the killer. What? I'm terrified. Don't hate me. I think it's fine. Please don't hate me. It's gonna go. The green light. Ah, yakin ito, why? Streak 2? I want my streak back! What? Not to go there. Bye bye guys, end of the video.